A Yamazumi chart is visual chart where you can analyze and compare the work content of every worker on the same production line. The purpose of a Yamazumi chart is to identify the waiting time of workers with different cycle times on the same production line. The speed of a production line is always determined by the highest cycle time. It is frequent to join tasks with Mura on the same worker. This allows us to focus on this process and try to reduce one worker on the line. But how does it work? 1. Calculate talk time. 2. Gather all work content of the production line. 3. Calculate the number of workers. 4. Distribute work content between the workers and show them in a chart format. In summary, a Yamazumi chart is a visual aid for the analysis and the comparison of the work content in between each worker and with the predetermined talk time.